Hello everyone, good evening. Yes, good evening all of you. Good evening guys. Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Yes, check it guys. Is my voice is clear or again you are getting any problem? Yes guys, is my voice is clear? So please respond. Hello everyone. Yes. Yes, yesterday we are discussing the concept that is unijunction transistor. It is a transistor which exhibits the negative resistance property. Along with the UJT, there is one more component that exhibits negative resistance property, that is a tunnel diode. Based on the negative resistance property, this is a component that is UJT as well as tunnel diode. Both are using for designing of the relaxation oscillator. Relaxation oscillator is entirely different from the oscillator. Oscillator is a circuit in which output is AC signal without any AC input with use of positive feedback. Whereas a relaxation oscillator, it generates output without feedback and without AC input. Guys, are you able to listen my voice? Hello everyone, please respond. If you are facing any disturbance from my end, please let me know, because Sari is already in class. We are observing. Is it clear? Is my voice is clear or any disturbance? Request. Shall I continue with my class? Sir. ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ చేసేసి రేపు నుంచి కూర్చుంటాను. Yes, guys, we are discussing about UJT, unijunction transistor. Yes, UJT, it is a unipolar device. Unipolar device, and the special property of UJT is negative resistance property. Negative resistance property. There is one more component which exhibits negative resistance property is tunnel diode. Tunnel diode. Based on this particular property, it is used for designing of the oscillator called as relaxation oscillator. Relaxation oscillator. All these topics already I discussed in last class. Relaxation oscillator. I given the difference between oscillator and relaxation oscillator. In oscillator, there is no AC input, but with use of positive feedback, circuit generates AC output. But in relaxation oscillator, without feedback, without AC input, circuit generates AC output, guys. That is the main difference between oscillator and relaxation oscillator. Output of relaxation oscillator is Yes, output of relaxation oscillator is sawtooth signal. Sawtooth signal. Sawtooth signal. This is the sawtooth signal. It is not triangular, guys. Sawtooth signal means no fall time. Fall time is zero. Only it has the rise time. This is the behavior of the sawtooth signal, guys. And main application of this sawtooth signal, this is most important. In one technical interview, technical resource person, he was asked a question regarding this. Where we are using sawtooth signal means what is the application of sawtooth signal? Can anyone in class? Can you tell me what is the application of sawtooth signal? Application of sawtooth signal. Yes, guys. Can you give me the answer? Application of sawtooth signal. Can anyone? What is the application of sawtooth signal? Yes, guys. Yes, simple question. Please respond. While we are purchasing LED television, OLED, QLED, laptop, desktop, take any. take any. Just tell me, while we are purchasing all these, what are the specifications we are considering? What are the important specifications? Regarding size, please tell me, guys. Regarding size, what is the specification we have to consider? Is anyone? Yes, guys, tell me. While we are purchasing television or laptop, how can you say size of laptop, size of laptop or size of television? How can we ask them? I need this much of size, this much of size screen I need required. Means with which dimension we are asking them? Anyone in class? Please tell. Yes, anyone? How can we ask the salesman for size? It may be computer or laptop or LED television. Yes, someone given the inches. I need 46 inches television or 110 inches television. What is the meaning of this one, guys? 41 inches or 110 inches or 17 inches laptop or 15 inches laptop, 21 inches laptop. Yes, tell me, what is this dimension? Is it, yes, someone is given from one corner to other corner. Means it is not vertical, it's not horizontal. Shall I say diagonal? It is the screen for any LED or OLED, QLED, laptop, desktop. Yes, diagonally. Diagonal side is 21 inches. Yes. Diagonal side is 17 inches, 110 inches for television, 42 inches for television. My question is why we are not measuring all these dimensions as vertical or horizontal? Why we are measuring only diagonal? Anyone? Any reason? If you take CRO screen size 4 inches or 4.1 inches. 4.1 inches is the diagonal of the screen of CRO, diagonal length of screen of CRO. This is the CRO, guys. So all displays, frequency synthesizer, and you can take heartbeat monitor also in medical department, biomedical department, heartbeat monitor. It's also in the same manner, and you can find the signals like this. For all these, we are measuring the size diagonally only because of this, only because of the sawtooth length. Means indirectly, what is the application of this sawtooth signal, guys? This diagonal length is nothing but sawtooth sweeping length, sweeping length. This is the length, nothing but diagonal length of the any screen, any screen. So in order to display the picture or waveform, in order to display the picture or waveform or video in screens of LED or laptop or desktop, or if you want to display the waveform in CRO screens, this is the signal he is using for the sweeping purpose. How many times it is sweeping to increase the waveform, and how many times it is sweeping? What is the pixel rate or what is the broadcasting rate? In India, it is 24 frames per second. 24 frames per second means per second it is repeating. Sawtooth signal is sweeping
24 times to induce the pixel or that is image point of video or picture 24 frames means broadcasting rate is 24 frames means sweeping signal or sawtooth signal is scanning the total screen 24 times per second, sir. 24 times per second. This is the caliber of the screen resolution. That is the reason why this is the signal we are used to display the waveform or display the pictures or display the videos on screens of the CRO or LED or television guys. So this is most important application. They might raise a question as where you can use the sweep signal startle signal, where you can use the sweep signal startle signal. This is a simple application you have to get where we have to give where we can use the startle signal. In this LED, QLED, LCD, CRO, monitor, heartbeat monitor, in all these, to move the waveform, to sweep the waveform. Sir, diagonal से repeat करना है. Yes, sir. Yes, diagonal length, sir. Actually, display in order to display the waveform or in order to induce the picture. Internally, we are using two plates, sir. Vertical deflection plate, and second one is horizontal deflection plate. Vertical and horizontal deflection plate. Whatever the picture or waveform we want to display, that is directly connected to vertical deflection plates from this function generator plates. Coming to the horizontal deflection plates, this sawtooth signal is connected. You can observe black diagram. You can find the black diagram for any display. You can find the vertical deflection plate, horizontal deflection plate. These two deflection plates are combinedly inducing the picture or waveform across the screen. For vertical deflection plate, direct signal is interacted or associated or interconnected, and for horizontal deflection plate, sawtooth signal. This is the signal is connected. This is the signal sweeping the waveform across the screens. If you keep the time slot knob of CRO at 0 ohm, then you cannot find any. Simply a dot you can find, or simple straight line. Now, if you rotate the time slot knob in clockwise direction, then slowly waveform sweeping across the screen like this. We can find this experiment practically also. You can do it in your external apps also, guys. That is in our EDC lab or IC lab or any other labs in which we are using the CRO guys. So most important application with the sawtooth signal. Most of the technical interviews, students they are facing about this question. What is the application of sawtooth signal? If they raise the question as what is the application of sine signal or square signal, triangle signal, we can give the answer easily. But if they raise the question as application of sawtooth signal, most of the students they are unable to give the answer for this question. But a very important and easy answer is to display the waveform and the picture across the screen or in CRO or in LEDs. If any possibility, please make a note. That is application of sawtooth signal. Output of relaxation oscillator is sawtooth signal. What is the difference between sawtooth signal and a triangular signal? Triangular signal is having the equal amount of on time and off time. T on is equal to T off in triangular signal. Whereas in sawtooth signal, no off time means off time is equal to 0. This signal is also called as the sweeping signal. This signal is also called as a sweeping signal. Sweeping signal. Sweeping signal. What is application of sweeping signal or sawtooth signal? Application of sawtooth signal is it is used to sweep the waveform across the screen. please note down the point, guys. Output of relaxation oscillator is sawtooth signal. Yes, Ashish Kumar is asking the question as what is the dimension of pixel and how do you Yes, sir. They are saying now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Otherwise, can you set the last names on it? So, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Tomorrow, I will let you know, sir. By tomorrow morning, I will do the information, sir, because I have to. Okay. Shall I close it, sir? Shall I close it?